Yeah, good day viewers, you're welcome to this channel. This is Radical Science. On today's edition, I'll be taking you on biology objective tutorial. So all you need to do is just to get your pen and paper ready to write down something. If today is the first time of visiting this channel, all I want you to do is to hit the subscription button and also turn the subscription bell on so that anytime we post in this channel, you can be able to get notification to enable you watch our videos anytime we post. So all I want you to do is to get your pen and paper, as I will be displaying the questions on the screen. All you need to do is just to attempt those questions one after the other, and please carefully read the questions very well, understand it. After that, then you drop your answer on the comment section. If you try to skip any question or ignore any question, you will be surprised, or you'll be so sorry for yourself, because when you come back to review the questions that you saw in your question paper, you'll be surprised that all the questions were all discussed here. So I want you to pay attention if actually you know that you want to come out with a flying color as far as this year's biology question is concerned. Best will get a prize from this channel. So let us begin.
What is the term for the fusion of gametes during reproduction? A. Mitosis. B. Meiosis. C. Fertilization. D. Binary fission. Number 2. Which reproductive system organ produces eggs in females? A. Ovary. B. Testes. C. Uterus. D. Fallopian tube. Number 3. Which organ is primarily responsible for gas exchange in human? A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Liver. D. Kidney. Observe very well before you choose any option. Make sure you understand it very well. Number 4. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Brainstem. D. Spinal cord. Moving on to the next question, which is number 5. What is the function of the synapse in the nervous system? A. To transmit electrical signals. B. To produce neurons. C. To protect the brain. D. To allow chemical communication between the neurons. Moving on to the next question, number 6. Which type of neuron carries signals from sensory receptors to the central nervous system? A. Motor neuron. B. Sensory neuron. C. Interneuron. D. Axon. Number 7. In a commensal relationship, one organism A. benefits and the other is harmed. B. benefits and the other is unaffected. C. is harmed, the other benefits. D. neither benefits nor is harmed. Number 8. Which is an example of a commensalism? A. Fungus and alga forming lichen. B. Tick and the dog. C. Remora fish and shark. D. Man and mosquitoes. Moving on to number 9. The saprophytes obtain their nutrients from dash. A. Living organisms. B. Dead and decaying matters. C. Photosynthesis. D. Symbiotic relationships. To number 10. Which organisms are known to be saprophytic? A. Plants. B. Animals. C. Fungi. D. Bacteria. The 11th question. In mutualism, both organisms dash. A. benefits. B. are harmed. C. one benefits and the other is unaffected. D. One benefits and the other is harmed. Number 12. Which is an example of mutualism? A. Lion and antelope. B. Hawk and mouse. C. Bee and flowers. D. Tick and dogs. Instructions. Plant A was observed to look like Plant B after 7 hours. Study the diagram carefully and answer the following question based on your observations. Number 13. The environmental factor responsible for the condition in plant B are A. High humidity and low temperature, B. Low humidity and low temperature, C. Low humidity and high temperature, D. High humidity and high temperature. You just have to take your time, observe the options very well, and choose the correct answer. Okay? And remember, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and also turn the subscription bell on so that anytime we post in this channel, you can be able to get notification to enable you watch our videos anytime we post. Now, moving on to the next question. Number 14. The term that can be used to describe what happened to the plant A after 7 hours is dash. A. Wilting, B. Germination, C. Tropism, D. Photosynthesis. To get this question correctly, kindly observe those two plants very well. That is the plant A and the plant B. Structure above is called dash, which is number 15. The structure above is called dash. A. Three-root system, B. Neuron, C. Worm, D. Nephron. Number 16. What is the primary function of bile in the digestive system? A. To break down protein into amino acids. B. To emulsify fats for easy digestion. C. To absorb carbohydrate into the bloodstream. D. To produce hormones for glucose regulation. Moving on to number 17. Which of the following is a function of insulin in the body? A. To increase blood glucose level. B. To decrease blood glucose levels. C. To stimulate breakdown of fats. D. To regulate blood pressure. Which of the following is not associated with urine formation? A. Ultrafiltration, B. Selective reabsorption, C. Insulin production, D. Hormonal secretion.